guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Just done packing, checking out of our hotel at Bhubaneswar. Hey guys, we have seen a lot of that already, right? Me talking about where we stayed, how was the stay, food, where we heading on that day, the distance to destination, the time it would take, what's happening with the group, and all that. It probably gets boring after a few episodes. I understand that. And even for us, while coming back, it was a boring ride because... So it's going to be a pretty much a straight route, guys. Nothing much to show. Just another Indian highway for you. Hardly few adventures or experiences in between. And in that regard, I don't want to bore you guys with that stuff. So let's skip ahead to the main bits. Rochi covered 30,000. And now we enter Andhra Pradesh, guys, and look at the roads. ఒకటైతే పైకి ఎక్కి మరీ తింటుందిరా, ఎంత హైట్ ఉంది తెలుసా. Look at all this greenery, man. Nice. చాలా పెద్దగా బాగా కట్టారు. If you can use cruise mode on these bikes, there is an asshole who is just coming from the right. Arey! Sorry, stopped here for some chai, and Sriman's getting his tire puncture done. We did redone. He already did it once, but there's some air leaking in it. How's the chai? Good. Chai? Good. It was on 2 wheels. And how is the new phone experience? One day old. This guy is competing to beat Srujan on Instagram followers. Vizag has a special place in my heart. Beautiful, clean. But the best part about Vizag is its roads. These roads have always been good. Just checked out of the hotel here in Vijayawada. It's 9:15, so tentative time of arrival is around 4 p.m. We might reach earlier than that. Probably the 4th or 5th tire puncture in this trip. Edra? Oh yeah.
So we just Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Wherever you are.
Enta kottali? We're trying Motol's tire repair kit. It's a tube tire, so we couldn't find the tools here to remove the tire. So we're trying Motol's tire repair kit. That's how it works. We removed the nail, filling it with the fluid, and then top up the tire pressure. Driving at moderate speeds till we for a few more kilometers, and then we'll check for the condition of the tire pressure at probably the next fuel bunk. That way we will know if the tire air is leaking or not. If it's not leaking, we'll just top up and keep moving till Hyderabad. Hey guys, we are just about to enter Hyderabad. Everybody is splitting apart. Great ride?
Great ride.
Had fun?
Excellent.
Enjoyed the ride?
Me? Oh yeah. Adventures too many.
Bye-bye. How was your first long ride?
I do it every day in the area.
Enjoyed your second big ride?
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. You don't go to rating. 5.5. Your rating?
5.
And if you're wondering where I am, I'm back in Hyderabad. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you'd probably think I'm still on the ride. So for faster updates, follow me on Instagram. The channel's name's down here. That's where I probably update much more regularly. At the end of the video, I've made a small summary clip or a shorter version of the entire ride. And I hope you enjoy it. And if you did, please let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. We're back in Hyderabad since a few weeks, caught up with the guys for a while, but pretty much getting a few errands done at home and at work. I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye. Finally on the road, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Our big trip to Sikkim is on. Look at all these howlers. And finally Rohit is coming for a long ride.
Let's go.
What happened to the phone? It fell down and broke, but he looks happy. I want natural expression.
Sad face better.
So it's an 8-member ride. ఫ్రాంక్లీ
కాంటెంట్లో బాగా మెనిపులేట్ చేస్తారు కదా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్.
లాస్ట్ 15 minutes బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేసావు పండు.
మొత్తం తడిసిపోయింది అన్న.
మొత్తం ఏమైనా మిగిలిందా?
లోపలే.
Time for a new phone, I guess.
It became this. There's someone else operating that phone.
How was the ride?
Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are.
Good night.
You could be in your bathroom, that's fine too.
Okay.
Most people watch YouTube videos when they're in their bathroom. It's a little known fact.
He's so weird now. Look at his face. All this for the toll naka, I guess. But look at how Shiva, the captains are flying through the mud. Just when we thought everything is fine with the trip, we have a small rim bend. But I think this is manageable. We'll know in probably another 1-2 hours what to do with that. Registration again. I didn't get the RC card yet. Yeah.
Get it printed or somewhere because you will be getting trouble lot of the places, most of the places.
मेरा डॉक्यूमेंट्स होटल में है. होटल का चाबी इधर है. मैं कैसे दिखाऊं आपको? सॉफ्ट कॉपी है तो आप ना बोल रहे हैं. I was fined 500 by Orissa police just because I was on TR and I didn't have the documents. Adventurous ride continues. And that fog looks amazing. Cinematic fog. Couldn't find any place for breakfast, so just stopped here. And Chaitanya carries a lot of protein bars, and thanks to him I feel full. How was the taste of it? Waiting here at the Honda showroom in Kharagpur, just trying to see if they have a 12mm Allen key just to tighten this a bit. Let's take a look at the attention 2 BMW bikes got here at the Honda showroom. Wow. Everyone's getting into rain mode. Good morning, Shiva. Intro, please.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, wherever you are.
We have the Street Triple, Activa Twin, Africa Twin, Tiger, T120 and my F850 GS. Chaitanya is still in the parking lot. Sunday morning, Kolkata looks quite free. Looks like Big Ben, mini version of Big Ben actually. Arey fuel అయిపోద్ది అక్కడికి వెళ్ళే లోపు. And that's the effect of this route. Look at him stretching. Chaitanya Baba. Suju is trying to put the bike on the center stand. Reporting live from somewhere near Silguri. Please.
పడిపోయింది కాలు ట్విస్ట్ అయిపోయింది.
Challenging experience for all of us. It's been a long and tiring ride. We just need some good chai, and I think if there is no spray from the traffic, we can do it pretty easily. Nice sunset though. We got a bit delayed at the last tea stop. The bike accidentally slipped and fell on my left knee. Oh man, this has been a long day. We are apparently in the narrowest part of India. So this stretch is 27 kilometers wide between Nepal and Bangladesh. We are finally here. Ride time of 12 hours, break time of 7 hours 40 minutes, 593 kilometers and an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Decently few stretches of bad roads. So apparently there is a place where landslides happen. The left of this river is West Bengal and to the right of it is Sikkim. Rochika Gadi mein engine is getting overheated, so we just stopped to clear the radiator a bit. Seems to be going off. What a lovely view. Lovely setting, man. Welcome to Sikkim. are checking out of the current hotel in Gangtok and heading to Nathula now. Take a look at this view. Amazing views from here. This is probably one of the steepest hill stations I've been to. Man, I want this traffic system all over India, man. No honking, एक ही line में. Apparently some clutch play issue here on the Tiger. It might have loosened up a bit. All okay?
I kept it down. Side very pain. I was going up, very pain.
Just take a look at this setting, guys. Rain, fog, and it's cold. Stopped here for this. Nice. The water looks so clear. Finally we reached Nathula Pass, guys, all the way from Hyderabad. That's the Indo-China border. Oh man, such an amazing feeling. Just stopped here for fuel. We are like 60 kilometers from Lachung. We are somewhere in North Sikkim. Whoa, nice tall mountains, remote location. This is the view on top of the hotel. Look at the waterfalls and tell the scale of the mountains. Hey guys, we are at 0 point. This is much higher than the Nathula Pass.
Where are you from?
Hyderabad. Shriman's first experience of snowfall.
Yep.
How is it? How does it feel?
Snow on my whisker.
What did you do?
We put our in that cold water. It's like what psychotic fuck are these guys?
How is it dipping your face in the water?
Amazing.
Ice freezing cold.
It was not cold.
You instantly have a freeze on your face and everything is normal there.
లోపలికి వెళ్ళి ఇట్లా కళ్ళు తెరవగానే మొత్తం స్టోన్స్ అన్ని ఇక్కడ
Have to say, all the clouds and the rain block magnanimity of these mountains, man. They're huge. The GoPro can't do justice. Time to leave Gangtok. This completes half of our journey. We covered Somgo Lake and Nathula, Chungthang, Lachung and Yumthang. We're looking forward to come back again and stay in this hotel. This is the condition of the road. Some stretches are nice 4-lane roads, but that's like for maybe half a kilometer or so. and rest of the places there are diversions like these. I think in 1 to 2 years maybe this highway will be done. Finally some sun, guys. Oh man, for almost 5 to 7 days we hardly saw any sun, and this feels so relieving. Blue skies and sun. Missed that for a long time. We're here at the Daklola railway crossing again. Apparently another Telugu lorry driver, he has been here since 2 days in the traffic jam. I pity them, man, I pity them. Time to leave Hotel Silver Arcade. Decent hotel for Malda, but as I said yesterday, quite expensive. Big potholes. Are mountains ra? Mountains vachai. Oh, this river is in full flow. Decent flow. Berhampur. This is Berhampur. Left to right and we are like 127 kilometers from Kolkata. Me and Chadana would be heading to the BMW showroom just to get our chain tightened up, and rest of the guys are heading to the Prime showroom to get their service checked. That's the schedule for today. We have reached Kolkata. It's almost 5 o'clock and the traffic is a killer, man.
Moments later.
Done here with BMW Motorrad service. Now we're heading to the Triumph showroom to check the status of other bikes. And this is the condition of Sriman's brake pads.
This is not acting, reality.
Okay, we are here in an Apple store in Bardhaman in West Bengal.
But he doesn't know how to unbox it.
We have 2 new iPhones in the group.
Yo.
Sriman and Sujan. This was expected, but this was very surprising. Very surprising. We are doing some pranks. He's gonna take it. Probably we'll reach Bhubaneswar around 7 PM or so. That's the stats. 8.5 hours ride, 460 kilometers, almost 80 kilometers average speed. Just reached the hotel, guys. Good night and take care.